This tutorial is going to take you through some of the tools that you can use using Sceencastify as it goes through. So one of the main things that we're going to have a look at here is we're going to have a look at how to use the pen. So the pen enables us to highlight or look at different aspects of our slides. So what we want to do here is we're going to scroll down through this presentation, and I'll take a slide at random here, or effectively going through, we can highlight some of the keywords. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my pen, and when I choose the pen, it means I can change a different color. So at the moment, I've got a nice green there, so I can draw a line in a nice green. There we go. And if I want to change the color, I can just slide it down, and now I'm running a solid pink color. If I want to get rid of it all, I can click on this eraser button and click this bit, which goes wipe screen. The other alternative is from the pen, I can draw a little smiley face here. Terrible smiley face, I have to say. Looks mildly demonic. What I'm going to hit there is the eraser, and I can rub it out and erase it using the eraser. So this one's the eraser, that one does the full wipe screen, that one's the pen. So those are the drawing tools that you can use on Sceencastify.